Welcome to the infrared POCO C40, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge application. And now we should get this first app. That's why we should tap to install, and after that wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just let's tap here to open on the right down corner, tap to draw our apps, and now we should find here in this apps list the Muviz Edge application. And we should tap once on the switcher to activate it. Let's just go back now to the application and select AED section. Now let's use one from the available tabs, tap to apply it, and let's lock the device. Now just we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.